This is Jason with Draughon Cattle Company. I'm going to show you some of the farm equipment we have for sale and skid steer equipment. Post hole diggers, boom poles, skid steer plates, skid steer augers, hay spears, forks, quick attach forks, John Deere hay spears, John Deere forks, J-bar box blades, numerous used pieces of equipment, boom poles, new and used, box blades, lots of J-bar box blades, used box blades, plenty of gear driven tillers, 4 feet and 5 feet, brand new, skid steer tillers, skid steer dozer blade, quick attach rakes, quick attach buckets, more tillers, brand new PTO chipper, more quick attach rakes. We got about every kind of grapple you can want. Rock grapples, brush grapples, root grapples, rake grapples. Lots of grapples in stock. Quick attach and John Deere hookup. Plenty of root grapples. J-bar land levelers. Very nice. Many of our prices will be the best you'll find. Several items, several $100 under the market value for new equipment. Real good prices. Skid steer bush hogs. This is our extreme cutter. It's capable of cutting up to 7-inch trees. There's a John Deere MX6 bush hog. Green pine straw rake. Got used finishing mowers, used bush hogs, J-bar bush hogs. Our new prices for bush hogs, cheapest in the country. Single section disc harrows, brand new. Hillers for garden season. Here's a 5-foot skid steer bush hog, capable of cutting up to 3-inch diameter. Here's another extreme bush hog, capable of cutting up to 7-inch diameter. Several tractors in stock. Hay rings, more J-bar levelers, J-bar bush hogs, more levelers. We have some tree spades in stock. Straw crimper, hydraulic box blades with wheels. Several items in stock, too numerous to mention them all. We have over 900 items. Give us a call at 910-624-8734 or 910-624-6791. Someone's always on the lot between Monday through Saturday, 8 to 5. If you need to come after 5, you need to come at night or come on Sunday, just give us a call. We'll help you. We'll sell to you 24/7. Thank you for watching our video. Please feel free to share it. We appreciate any and all business here at Draughon Cattle Company.